Hey guys, it's me, Trisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys behind the scenes, showing you guys what equipment I use to create a YouTube video from the start to the end. So let's get right into it. So Lucas is this week's featured subscriber. I'll put his YouTube icon right over here. And I also have another announcement to make, which is my friend has his own Spotify album, so you guys can go watch it. I'll link it down below in the description box. And this is really good music if you just want some background amazing music for when you're editing or when you're doing homework. So the first and most obvious thing I use is a camera. I use the Canon EOS 700D with the 18 to 55mm lens, and this is a discontinued camera, unfortunately.
Hey guys, so while I was editing this video, I realized that this camera is actually not discontinued. You can buy it on any local camera shop or any other websites beside Amazon, because Amazon is, from what I know, you can't buy it off of Amazon. So yeah, now back to the video.
Now let's talk about lighting. So what I recommend is that you use natural lighting just coming out from a window, but for some reason if you can't use it, go ahead and get yourself a ring light or studio lights. They do really help. All I use is this white light. It's like a white light lamp, and all it does is lights up one side of my face, and especially when I'm filming in this direction, there's a lot of shadow that comes onto my face, so I just leave this lamp on the side and it just brightens my face just a bit. So that is everything that I use when I am actually filming my videos, but when I'm editing, of course the main thing that you need is something to edit on. I use my MacBook Air, and I'll link an entire playlist up in the eye as well as in the description box, which has everything to do with this product, so go ahead and check that one out. But I use iMovie as my editing software. As you guys know, I've created quite a few videos on it, so you guys can go check those out as well. So once you have started and opened up your laptop, of course you need to transfer your footage to your laptop, and for that you need to have an SD card, which I probably should have mentioned before, but the SD card that I use is the 16GB one. The one that I used before was the 8GB one, and I'll just quickly show you guys the close-up of this. So this is the one I used before. It's 8GB. I highly recommend you get this if you are planning just to take photos on your camera, but if you're going to film, get the 16GB, 32, 64, or any of the ones above. And then going hand in hand with the SD card, I have an SD card and USB reader. I talk about this in my MacBook unboxing video, so I'll link that one up above too. And I have a similar one like this linked in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and buy that one. But I use this to, of course, transfer my footage, and I'll mention a little bit later what else I use this for. So the next thing I use my SD card and USB reader for is for my hard drive.
Hey guys, so I thought I'll pop on to say what is on this hard drive. So I just keep extra B-roll footage that I use time and time again, and I also keep music, any past videos. I also keep any loose footage I have for upcoming videos. So yeah, that's it.
This is the Transcan brand, and this is the one in green. So this holds 500GB, which is really close to double of what my laptop can hold. So definitely I use this for everything to do with YouTube. So this is a little close-up of what the drive looks like. It just has a USB end, and then this is how the front looks like. Okay, so the next two things are kind of accessories that I use during editing. So the first one is a mouse, and this one is actually a USB one. So once again, I use my SD card reader for. I just highly recommend you guys get an SD card reader, especially if you have one of the newer MacBooks, because you can just use a lot of things that way. So the next thing is these headphones, and I just use this when I'm editing so that I'm not disturbing anybody else. That way I'm also focused on the task I'm doing. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment down below, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe to my channel. And when you comment, don't forget to leave any video recommendations you guys have, because I definitely take them seriously. And by the way, Saturday I have a color correction video coming up, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys then. Bye!